started with Agnisara. Following is Kapalabhati. Like Agnisara, this is also a yogic kriya as well as pranayama. Try to exhale instantly. Look at me, how do I do it? While doing this, don't stress your facial muscles, relax them, put a smile on your face. That will relax the whole face and even your body also. While exhaling, you have to pump your belly and you have to integrate your exhale with your belly. That's the only thing you have to concentrate. Initially you may have some problem, you can ignore it. Gradually when you practice, you get it. While you do it, there will be a lot of gases coming out. Continue doing it, let the gases come.